Hi, I'm Leslie Lewis and I'm here on Artist Aloud doing my rock and roll thing. Well, I was born into a sort of a musical kind of family in the sense that my family is a choreography family. My mother's a dancer. My father's been one of the biggest choreographers in Bollywood. He's done some of the biggest movies that you might have seen. Sholay, Sargam, all the Hai Ke Paan Banaras, Yahoo, Jungli, Evening in Paris. I mean, hundreds of them. All the biggest hits in Bollywood. So I grew up with that. But my dad used to play tabla and, was very interested in electronic music and in the sense that electric guitar. And when the synthesizers came out, the whole synthesis angle. Not that he played. I think he just wanted to be. He always told me I would have been a music director, but I don't think he had it. He was a great dancer. He was a fabulous choreographer, but I don't think he would have made a good music, a great composer. So I decided might as well I do that. Well, I've had a lot of influences on three sides really, because my dad, in his off time, he was heavily into classical music, Kathak and Bharatanatyam and stuff like that. He was also with the classical musicians, so I grew up with Zakir Hussain, I grew up with Allah Rakha, I grew up, that was the mahol that I grew up with, Sitara Devi, all stuff like that. He would listen to a lot of classical music in his off time. So I got exposed to Vilayat Khan, Amir Khan, all the massive, really good players. I grew up with R.D. Burman, Helen Auntie, that's Helen. And, I was the kid that was around playing while they were composing and, shooting and stuff. I grew up with the Bollywood edge, that angle. And then, because I went to boarding school in Mount Abu, St. Mary's, I got exposed to a lot of rock, which is where, my dad would go for shootings, sometimes like to Paris and stuff like that, and he'd bring EP singles of the Beatles, just like a 45 record. But then when I went to boarding school, I got heavily influenced by the Beatles, Jimi Hendrix, Are You Experienced, that album, Cream, Wheels of Fire, massive, Led Zeppelin, The Who. So three completely various angles. Actually, even the fourth one, and the fourth one, I think a lot of people have missed that one. And I was lucky because All India Radio has probably the best collection of real folk Indian music in their banks, which they don't release, it's not available. And as a kid, I've always looked for folk music. I've loved folk music because at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, they'd always play this folk program. And I have heard some of the best folk music of India playing on the radio. You can't buy it, you can't get it. I spent my whole life trying to look for it. Finally, at Coke Studio, I managed to do something with folk. But I love folk music and I grew up, so that's probably the fourth angle. Oh, Jana, Shanana, oh, Jana, Shanana. Oh Jana, Shanana, oh Jana, Shanana, 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 Shanana.